Here I've got HUAWEI Nova Young, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select sound, and now go to phone ringtone. And now just come along with all the ringtones and then select the one that you like the most. So let me show you all of them, starting with Dream It Possible. And let me pick HUAWEI tune, click on confirmation mark, and that's it. As you can see, the ringtone has been changed, and that would be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.